Vodafone UK mobile operator full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Vodafone is one of the UK's largest and most established mobile operators, offering strong coverage, competitive plans, and international roaming benefits. If you're interested, check the links in the description for more details. Now, let's break down its features, who it's best for, and its strengths and weaknesses. Vodafone provides a range of pay monthly, SIM-only, and pay-as-you-go plans with flexible data options, including unlimited plans. One of its standout features is Vodafone Extra plans, which include extras like 5G access, roaming in up to 83 destinations, and unlimited picture messaging. Vodafone's VeryMe Rewards program offers discounts, giveaways, and exclusive deals. The network also provides a strong selection of family and business plans with multi-line discounts and priority support. For those needing broadband, Vodafone offers bundled mobile and home internet deals. In terms of coverage, Vodafone has extensive 4G reach and a growing 5G network, particularly strong in major UK cities. Who is Vodafone best for? It's a great option for frequent travellers due to its inclusive global roaming on premium plans. Business users can benefit from Vodafone's corporate services, while families can save with multi-line plans. It's also a good choice for those who value loyalty rewards and entertainment perks. Now, let's talk about the downsides. While Vodafone's network is strong in urban areas, rural coverage can sometimes be less reliable than EE's. Another common issue is customer service, which has received mixed reviews regarding responsiveness and problem resolution. Pricing is also a consideration. While Vodafone's mid-range plans are competitive, premium plans with the best perks can be costly. Additionally, unlike some competitors, Vodafone does not always include unlimited social media or video streaming without using data. In summary, Vodafone UK is a solid mobile operator with strong coverage, great roaming benefits, and attractive rewards. However, rural users may experience coverage gaps, and customer service could be improved. If Vodafone sounds like the right fit for you, check the links in the description. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile carrier reviews.